Hello everyone. We are starting with chapter number 4, Reproductive Health. This is the first video of the chapter, class 12th, Biology. In this video, we are going to cover the following topics: reproductive health, problems and strategies, and then population explosion and birth control. What is reproductive health? It simply refers to healthy reproductive organs with normal functions. But according to WHO or World Health Organization, reproductive health is a total well-being in all aspects of reproduction, that is physical, emotional, behavioral and social aspects. Therefore, a society with people having first physically and functionally normal reproductive organs, second having normal emotional and behavioral interaction among them in all sex related aspects might be called reproductively healthy. Let us see the measures taken for awareness of reproductive health. India is the first country who initiated reproductive health program or family planning program in 1951 to attain total reproductive health as social goal. Later, the programs were improved and it also covered the reproductive related areas under which name? Under the popular name Reproductive and Child Health Care or RCH program, and it was launched in 1997. The major tasks of RCH programs are: first, to give awareness about reproduction related aspects among people. Second, providing facilities and support for building reproductively healthy society. These are the two main tasks of RCH programs. It also includes educate people about birth control, care of pregnant mothers, postnatal care of mother and child, means care of mother and child after the birth of the child, importance of breastfeeding, equal opportunities for male and female child. So we want to educate the people about these also. Next, we want to create the awareness among the people about the problems created due to population explosion and also about the social evils like sex abuse and sex related crimes. Sex education is also included in schools. What is the aim and need of sex education in schools? First, to provide right information. We want to give the right information about sex related aspects to the adolescent children. It helps them to avoid sex related myths and misconceptions which were developed in the minds of adolescent children. Second, to give proper information. We want to give proper information about reproductive organs, adolescence and related changes in the body, and also safe and hygienic sexual practices. We want to give the information about this also so that they can be prevented from sexually transmitted diseases like AIDS. New strategies have been implemented time to time. One is statutory ban on amniocentesis. What is this? It is a fetal sex determination test based on chromosomal pattern in amniotic fluid surrounding the developing embryo. You can see the diagram. This is a growing embryo in the amniotic cavity and the cavity is filled with the fluid. The fluid is taken from this and sex can be determined based on the chromosomal pattern in the fluid. So, There is a ban on this now. It helps in checking female feticides. Second new strategy क्या है? Massive child immunization programs. So, new strategies have been implemented time to time to provide better care to the people. Come to the population explosion and birth control. Population explosion. In 1900, the world population was around 2 billion or 2000 million, and by 2000 it rocketed to about 6 billion. And similarly, similar pattern was seen in India also. In India, population was nearly 350 million at the time of independence, and it reached 1 billion by 2000 and crossed 1 billion in May 2000. It means every sixth person in the world is an Indian. According to 2001 census report, the population growth rate was still 1.7%, that is 17 per 1000 per year, a rate at which our population could double in 33 years. What is the reason behind this population explosion? First reason है increased health facilities and better living conditions. Second, a rapid decline in death rate. Death rate बहुत कम हो चुका है. Maternal mortality rate कम हो चुका है. Infant mortality rate कम हो चुका है. This is the second reason of population explosion. Third, there is an increase in number of people in reproducible age. So these are the reasons for population explosion. But what are the impacts of population explosion? There is a scarcity of basic requirement. Food की कमी होना, shelter की कमी होना, clothing की कमी होना. These are the impact of population explosion. How can we control? What are the different control measures? First, motivate smaller families by using contraceptive methods. Second, aware people about a slogan, हम दो हमारे दो, we two are two. But now many couples have adopted a one-child norm. Third, statutory rising of marriageable age of female. कितना है age females के लिए? 18 years and males के लिए it is 21 years. Let us see the properties of an ideal contraceptives. It should be user friendly, it should be easily available, it should be effective, it should be reversible, it should not have any side effects or least side effects, should not interfere with sexual drive, desire and sexual act. See the types or the methods of contraceptives. First, natural or traditional methods. Second, barriers. Third, intrauterine devices. Fourth, oral contraceptives. Fifth, injectables. And sixth, surgical methods or sterilization. Let us start with first, natural or traditional methods. Avoiding chances of ovum and sperms meeting. And they are of three types: periodic abstinence, coitus interruptus and lactational amenorrhea. First, periodic abstinence. Avoid coitus from day 10 to 17 of the menstrual cycle. One should avoid during this period 10 to 17 of the menstrual cycle. Why? Because this is a fertile period, and as you know, on the 14th day there is an ovulation takes place. So avoid coitus during this period. This is the first method. Second, coitus interruptus, or you can say withdrawal method. Withdraw penis from the vagina just before ejaculation of the sperms to avoid insemination. This is the second method. Okay. Third method, lactational amenorrhea. It is the absence of menstrual cycle and ovulation due to intense lactation after parturition. When the mother is feeding a child intensely, there is no menstrual cycle or ovulation takes place. This method helps to prevent conception. This is effective up to 6 months following parturition, and it has no side effects, but chances of failure are high. Come to the barriers. They prevent physical meeting of sperms and ova. Okay, example है इसके condoms, diaphragms, cervical caps and walls. Condoms, they are made up of rubber or latex sheath. Condoms for male cover the penis, and condoms for female cover the vagina and cervix. Condoms are used just before coitus, and what they do, they prevent the entry of semen into the female reproductive tract. निरोध पॉपुलर कंडोम है मेल्स के लिए. Why condoms are very popular? First, it protects the user from STDs and AIDS. Second, it is disposable. Third, it can be self-inserted and thereby give privacy to the user. Diaphragms, cervical caps and walls made of rubber and are inserted into the female reproductive tract to cover the cervix during coitus. Okay, this is inserted in the female reproductive tract and it covers the cervix. They block the entry of sperms through the cervix and they are reusable. Spermicidal cream, jellies and foams are used along with these barriers to increase their contraceptive efficiency. Come to intrauterine devices. These are inserted by the doctors or nurses in the uterus through vagina. What they do? They increase phagocytosis of sperms, and IUDs are ideal methods to delay pregnancy or space children. 3 types के हैं IUDs: non-medicated, copper releasing and hormone releasing. First come to non-medicated IUDs. They retard sperm motility. Movement of sperm is retarded. Also have spermicidal effect, can kill the sperms. Example क्या है? Lips loop. Second, copper releasing IUDs. Copper ions suppress motility and fertilizing capacity of the sperms. Example है, you can see the diagram, copper T, copper 7 and multi-load 375. Hormone releasing IUDs. They make the uterus unsuitable for implantation. Now the uterus is not suitable for the implantation, for receiving the zygote, for receiving the blastula, and also the cervix hostile to the sperm. They make the cervix hostile to the sperms. Example क्या है? Progestasert LNG20. Come to oral contraceptives. Oral administration of progestogens or progestogen estrogen combination in the form of tablets or pills. This is the oral contraceptive. Pills are taken daily for 21 days. 21 days के लिए pills लिए जाते हैं. ये स्टार्ट कब से करते हैं? स्टार्टिंग विद इन द फर्स्ट 5 days ऑफ मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल, और इसके बाद आफ्टर अ गैप ऑफ 7 days it should be repeated in the same pattern till the female desires to prevent conception. What they do? They inhibit ovulation and implantation and thicken cervical mucus to prevent entry of sperms. Pills are very effective with lesser side effects. Saheli, new oral contraceptive for females है ये, and it is developed by Central Drug Research Institute CDRI in Lucknow. What it contains? It contains non-steroidal preparation. और ये कब लिया जाता है? It is a once a week pill with very few side effects and high contraceptive value. Injectables. Progestogens or progestogens estrogen combination are used by the females as injections. Female can take the injections of these, or implants under the skin. You can see the diagram. Implant is placed underneath skin of arm. Their mode of action is like that of pills and their effective periods are much longer. And one more important thing about this is progestogens or progestogens estrogen combination are used as emergency contraceptive within 72 hours of the coitus, and it is used to avoid pregnancy due to rape or casual intercourse. Come to surgical methods or sterilization. It helps to block gamete transport and thereby prevent conception, and it is very effective, but reversibility is very poor. Reversibility is not there. Okay, there are two types of surgical method, vasectomy and tubectomy. See the vasectomy first. It is the sterilization procedure in males. What is done in this? In this, a small part of vas deferens is removed or tied up with small incision on the scrotum. You can see in the diagram, vas deferens tied and cut. This is the sterilization procedure in males called vasectomy. Come to tubectomy. It is the sterilization procedure in females. What is done in this? In this, a small part of fallopian tube, you can see the diagram, it is removed or tied up through a small incision in the abdomen or through vagina. You can see the diagram, fallopian tubes are tied and cut. This is the sterilization procedure in females and called tubectomy. Let us see the side effects of anti-natural contraceptive method. क्या हैं साइड इफेक्ट्स इनके? थोड़े हो सकते हैं जो nausea, abdominal pain, breakthrough bleeding, irregular menstrual bleeding and breast cancer. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for staying with me. Do the test given in the description box. Subscribe the channel to get the information about my new video. Thank you very much.